This is a high wind watch. For the following, in Colorado, Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range, high wind watch in effect from late Wednesday night through late Thursday night. What? West winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 90 miles per hour possible. Strongest winds will be east of the Continental Divide. Where? Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range, and the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks. When? From late Wednesday night through late Thursday night. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates. This is a high wind watch. For the following, in Colorado, Briggsdale, high wind watch in effect from Thursday morning through late Thursday night. What? West winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Where? Briggsdale, Pawnee National Grassland. When? From Thursday morning through late Thursday night. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Strong winds will likely lead to rapid fire growth of any new fire. Blowing dust will reduce visibility to less than a quarter mile in places. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates.